In this video, we will look at some of the best electric sanders on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5, Meizuishi R7303 Multifunctional Sander. The Meizuishi R7303 Multifunctional Sander, also known as the 6-inch electric car polisher, stands out for its high efficiency in auto waxing and polishing. Let's delve into its features, specifications, and overall performance. 5th gear adjustment with infinite speed control. This allows for precise control over the sanding and polishing speed, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. Ergonomic shock absorption handle. Designed for comfort, this handle reduces fatigue during prolonged use. Tungsten steel shaft, known for its high hardness and wear resistance, ensuring durability and long-term performance. Equipped with vacuum tube, this feature helps in maintaining a healthy and dust-free environment while working. The Meizuishi R7303 Multifunctional Sander is a versatile tool designed for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its adjustable speed control is particularly useful for various polishing and sanding needs. The ergonomic handle ensures that users can work for extended periods without experiencing significant discomfort. The tungsten steel shaft contributes to the sander's longevity, making it a reliable addition to any toolkit. Additionally, the inclusion of a vacuum tube is a thoughtful feature that helps in keeping the workspace clean and free of dust, promoting a healthier working environment. Overall, the Meizuishi R7303 Multifunctional Sander is a robust, efficient, and user-friendly tool that offers excellent value for its price. Number 4, RDDSPON Electric Eccentric Sander. The RDDSPON Electric Eccentric Sander, with its 300W power and 5-inch, 125mm sanding plate, is a versatile tool ideal for wood processing, furniture, and car polishing. Here's a detailed look at its features, specifications, and performance. Dust box for clean operation. Equipped with a dust collection box, this sander ensures a cleaner workspace by collecting dust during the sanding process. Adjustable speed levels. The sander offers 6 adjustable speed levels, allowing you to customize the speed based on your specific needs. Long cable design. The extended cable design enhances convenience, providing better maneuverability and a more comfortable user experience. Easy to install self-adhesive discs. The 5-inch, 125mm sanding plate is designed for easy installation of self-adhesive discs. Wide range of applications, suitable for car polishing, home use, floor waxing, metal descaling, and more, making it a highly versatile tool. The RDDSPON Electric Eccentric Sander stands out for its user-friendly design and effective performance. The inclusion of a dust box is a significant advantage, ensuring that dust is collected efficiently, which helps in maintaining a clean workspace and protecting your health. The adjustable speed levels are particularly useful for tackling different tasks. Number 3, Yofidra Electric Sander. The Yofidra Electric Sander is a versatile 5-inch cordless handheld sander and polisher designed for both wood and metal surfaces. Featuring a rechargeable 18V lithium battery, this tool offers flexibility and efficiency for various polishing and sanding tasks. Here's a closer look at its specifications, features, and performance. Secure sandpaper attachment. The design ensures that sandpaper remains firmly attached, preventing tangling and tearing during use. Cordless flexibility. Powered by an 18-volt battery, the sander allows for flexible work in various positions without being tethered to a power outlet. Long service life. The sealed ball bearing and robust design contribute to the tool's durability and longevity. Number 2, New HighQuality Electric Square Mini Sander. The new HighQuality Electric Square Mini Sander is a compact and powerful sanding machine designed for efficient sanding and polishing tasks. With its 350W power and brushless motor, this sander offers superior performance for car polishing and various DIY projects. Let's take a closer look at its features, specifications, and overall performance. Independent on-off switch ensures easy and safe operation, allowing users to control the sander with precision. Vibration damping system reduces vibration, making it suitable for a wide range of applications and providing a smoother sanding experience. 150mm sanding pad. Number 1 MAXXT 6-inch 150mm power sander. The MAXXT 6-inch 150mm power sander is a versatile and powerful electric orbital sander, ideal for both DIY and industrial applications. Featuring a brushless motor and a central vacuum system, this sander is designed for efficiency, durability, and ease of use. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.